Successful launch, orbit, and intact re-entry have been accomplished by only a few nations to date. The SpaceX mission today is the first time an entrepreneurial enterprise has joined this very elite company of spacefaring entities. Today was a dramatic step forward.
We did lift off at 10:43 Eastern Standard Time. We followed the nominal mission profile. We had first stage shutdown on time. Stage separation was nominal. Second stage engine start. Nose cone jettison at about 3 minutes and 37 seconds into the mission. Second stage cutoff, nominal as well. Nominal separation of the Dragon spacecraft. And then we had our on-orbit operations. We did maintain attitude control, thermal control. Our comms program worked brilliantly. We had connectivity with the Cape ground station, Wallops ground station, ground station in Australia. We also had full TDRS coverage, both omni and directional. And the directional TDRS required pretty specific pointing of Dragon in order to maintain that link. And we achieved that, we maintained it, and it really worked flawlessly. We began the deorbit burn at 2 hours and 32 minutes into the mission. We finished that deorbit burn slightly early. The reentry phase began at 2 hours and 58 minutes into the mission. Our drogue chutes deployed nominally. 3 mains deployed nominally as well. By the way, we achieved an 8 meter per second descent speed, which is, as Elon mentioned, quite comfortable from a landing perspective. We believed we projected we would have our water landing at 3 hours and 19 minutes into the mission. We actually did it in 3 hours, 19 minutes, and 52 seconds, which was awesome.
We would not be here without the help of NASA, and I cannot emphasize that enough. Maneuvers that were conducted were very similar to the sort of maneuvers that we would conduct in going to the space station and berthing with the space station. I feel very confident in being able to conduct the proximity operations and berthing operation with the space station with the next point. If there'd been people sitting in the Dragon capsule today, they would have had a very nice ride, and they would have experienced, maybe up to 4.5 Gs, about what you'd see at an amusement park, and they would have done quite well. So it's except for the escape system and its seats and some minor upgrades to the life support system. The vehicle that you saw today can easily transport people. We do agree with the need to have a launch escape system, and the testing of launch escape system is a difficult thing. The next generation Dragon, we're actually going to be aiming for a propulsive landing with gear, kind of like an Eagle landed on the moon.
We're beyond the if, is it possible? And the answer is, of course it's possible. We did it. and now we can move forward, get some stuff done.